tobacco products that includes e-cigs and vapes. The water we're on right now is extremely flammable. We're going to go over a few safety rules. Keep it inside or all on the blue rails at all times. We do get close to a lot of other boats. If we do find ourselves in the water, stand up and walk out. It's only about 3 to 5 feet deep. My name is Joe. I'll be your tour guide for the next 35 minutes or so. I hope you guys enjoy the ride. Right up here is the Arniston River Theater. Every weekend this summer, they've been having performances up here. You see right there, it's tonight at 7 o'clock. You can come out here, buy your tickets. They sell them along the side. That's every weekend of the summer right there. And it's not so much, but people use their imagination and say that it is. Same way they use their imagination and say that island is good luck for them to have an NBA team in that city. I've had the contract with the NBA for about 10 plus years now. It opened June 1st, 1929. It is designed under neo-Gothic style architecture, which is just a fancy name for those ugly faces that appeared off in twos along the side of the wall. Grotesque. There is a superstition about them in neo-Gothic architecture that they are used to ward off evil spirits and bad luck. Obviously, extremely superstitious guys had them at those faces, $100,000. And the other 5 companies after that. Does that building right there look familiar, guys? Yeah, if it does, it shouldn't. It's not from that movie at all. That one's in Chicago. Here, though, I feel they just wanted to outdo the architects in Chicago. But so right now we're exiting floodgate number 4. Because floodgate 5 is over there. Now floodgate 4 completely underwater. Floodgate 5 the same height as the water. From here, off floodgate. That being said, how many of y'all think the San Antonio River is a real river? However, the river, as I said, comes out of the ground here in the city. Now, right up that way, you see a boat to the Pearl. The Pearl is like a less touristy downtown. It's more of a residential downtown area. It weighs 300 tons. As we pass under, you can look up and see a rubber stopper. Now, it takes about 15 minutes for this floodgate to lower all the way down. So in the event of a flood, say we're supposed to get some heavy rain tomorrow, supposedly. If it's as bad as they expect to the Guadalupe River, then into the Gulf of Mexico. And 3 and 4 pretty much protect this area from ever being flooded. You take a look at the building on the left-hand side, quick visual representation of that flood I've been talking about. Where the chain meets the chandeliers where water levels reached during the flood of 1921. The city hasn't had a flood that bad since 1998, and again in 2000. They were maybe about 2 feet above the sidewalk down here. This way! This way! Right over here on the right-hand side, another one of our boat docks and ticket locations. This one is out of the Aztec Theater. Now, it opened up in 1926, 26 cents at the time. Take a look at that face up top. Looks like Gene Simmons from Kiss. That's how all Aztec theaters were designed after. The entire area is a music venue. They're hearing some church bells right now that belong to St. Mary's Catholic Church. It should be St. Mary's Catholic School for Boys. Later evolved into St. Mary's Law School. That outgrew itself. They moved it to San Antonio's west side, and they renovated this building one last time to become the Omni Lament. As soon as we come out from under this bridge right here, I want you to take a look at the building all the way up to the left. So that building right there is the San Antonio Nix Hospital. It does appear to be a flat wall. It opened up in 1930 in the country's first centrally AC hospital. The convenient care over dead issues born there at the Nix Hospital. Right in front of us up there where they're waving to us out of the hotel. They're shining on the building that is on the other side. Now they didn't have to, but the building on the other side is the Alamo. They didn't really want to be known as that guy. Made their building about 10 stories smaller to fit the standard. That being said, you walk through the hotel. There's also some souvenir shops right up there across from the Alamo. T-shirts, hats, glasses, all that stuff. And the Ripley's, believe it or not, wax museums are up there as well. The Casino Club building. It opened up in 1927, founded by San Antonio's business community at the time. Today, bottom 2 floors here, shopping orange building, you can't miss it. Here on the right, the 5 and Dime, another little souvenir shop. natural river flow right over here. But as we enter this bridge area right here, this is man-made commerce. The city of San Antonio ever interests you as a place to live. Pretty much how we get settled here in the city. It has 4 flags on it. The one right up here at the end where that has the Alamo on it to represent the city of San Antonio. Then of course the Texas flag and the United States flag. Why you may ask? Because Texas is awesome. What makes San Antonio skyline so special? We'll get another view of that once we exit back out of here. As we move up this way, we're going to go into the next portion of the river area back here. It's the CCX. That being said, this is the #1 source of revenue for the city of San Antonio, and it is booked until the year 2050. Gaming conventions, Comic-Con, pretty much conventions from all over the world. Building by the end of this summer, they say, our very own 2-story Walmart on the river. But yeah, it's gonna go by the name of Civic Park when it is finished. That mosaic was a gift to the city of San Antonio. I'll explain that when we come back to here. Alright, now as we come around this bend right here, you can take a look right in the front of the boat. You'll see some tunnels. You walk to the back of those tunnels. Here comes bump 1. When the sun is right above, when it's a lot less cloudy, you can see those fish. One of the most prominent in this area is a Placo fish. I want everyone to do me a favor and say, hey, Roger on 3, alright? 1, 2, 3. Hey, how's it going, Roger? Yeah, I hate that guy. So this one right here, this is boat location. Call this one Clearwater. Now this one is located right near Riverside 1988, set apart from all other malls in the city and around the area by being the only one built not only around the Elizabeth. And dining space combined. We do have the largest IMAX 3D theater in the United States located here. They have lazy boy chairs in there. You can recline all the way back. Get nice. A bunch of new restaurants added. On the right, live music pretty much every day of the year. The first one in the state of Texas. The restaurant up there is on the bottom floor of that. It rotates every hour to get the pages a full view. It's pretty nice. It's about $12 per person to get up there. You get a wristband, you see a 4D movie if you want. You go in and out of for the restaurant. And the last thing I'm going to talk about, the front left corner, look at that Spot 4 hotel. Aside from that, they were driven here on flatbed trucks. They were lifted up by cranes and stacked on top of it. You can look at all those rooms right there. They all look like blocks. It's